This is Pokemon Masters, and today we're going to be opening this box that has a Pyroar. Who's on the coin?
I don't know.
Okay, someone's on the coin, and then we got one breakpoint, another breakpoint, and another breakpoint. These two are Gyarados, as you can tell. Can't really see that one. He's trying to get his new binder that he got. This is for the Pikachu parties, and then he has like a Pikachu on it. So yeah.
Because it's my birthday.
Yeah, it's his birthday today. So we got that. And it comes with 10 additional game cards. So we'll be back once he can put all those sleeves on. So yeah. Okay guys, so we have gotten the coin out. It's upside down. That's the coin. Trying to get it to focus. It's just too beautiful. Well, that's the coin. It's just not that shiny. Here, there you go.
I don't know who that is. It looks like a fat pig.
Here. So there's that. And then this Pyroar card, which is amazing. Look at that. Sorry if it's blurry. Oh, there we go. It focused. Okay. So now we'll be back once he finally gets the sleeves on.
I'm almost done.
Yup. And he's actually done, like 1 second later. So let's put the Pyroar right there and the coin right there.
How about we split a pack? We'll split one pack.
Oh, sorry guys. Do I get one pack?
Yeah,
Great.
keep.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. So we got, okay, go over there. So we got our Gyarados, Scyther, and another Gyarados. They're all breakpoints. So breakpoint, breakpoint, breakpoint. So yeah, I'll open the first one. I'll open the Gyarados. So here we go. Can't even open it.
Get an EX, give it to me.
No. Okay.
Oh, Psyduck.
Oh, card trick. Okay, so I believe it's three. It's like
take three.
Good.
Take three, put two.
Take three and then put it in front of two, I believe.
Yeah, yeah. You actually took one.
No, I didn't. Okay, so Psyduck, Clefairy. Here, wait, let's do it like this. So, Psyduck. Here. Clefairy.
I see some good at the back, I think.
Ooh.
I see some shiny.
Slowpoke. You're getting my hopes up. A Drowsy.
I want the shiny one. Is there no good one?
A Shelder. Puzzle of Time.
What the heck? That's weird.
Bursting Balloon.
What? That's weird.
Durant.
Well, he's got shiny. Durant. He's new.
Shelder. Oh, of course it just fell. And then a Garbodor. Okay, so this card's mine, right?
You take those.
Okay.
And I have two to open, so I'm gonna go.
I'll get on camera. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, if you want the code card, there you go.
I'm opening Gyarados first.
There's a code card.
I think I'll open the Gyarados first.
I'll put my cards over here.
Open it. We're never gonna get good cards. I'm just not gonna do the card trick. I'm just gonna look at them.
One at a time, though.
Can I open this thing? Hold on. I think Pokemon Unwrapped taught me how to do this.
Yeah, guys, go check out Pokemon Unwrapped.
Pretty. You know what?
You need to open it. And switching packs. Pick up some code cards. Sorry about this, guys. Okay. You need it. Okay, finally he got it open. So now,
Oh no. I think that's awesome.
so show them the code card.
Oh, I didn't get it. The code card. Code
You
time.
want to see it? I'll show 'em. So there's the code card. There you go.
Nothing did, I don't think.
Okay.
Growlithe. A Esper, I guess. A Nimi.
Numel.
Honage.
Onage.
Shelter. Ooh, Bursting Balloon.
Reverse hollow.
Flurson.
Oh, I need to trade you for that. Professor Sycamore.
Sycamore.
Oh, Gyarados
Spirit
Spirit Link.
And a Astomasi, whatever.
Oh, should we do rip it or save it with the other pack?
Oh no. Guys, rip it or save it. You should name the video.
Yep. Okay.
Oh,
So-
it's gonna be so bad.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm
This
scared.
is gonna suck.
It's gonna suck so bad.
Should we go in and do it? So there's more room. Here, let's come over here. Sorry, guys. Oh, come over here.
Scared.
Here, I'll open. See? Make sure you don't see the card.
Oh god.
Okay, show them the code card.
Okay.
So there's the code card.
Here,
There
I'm
you
gonna
go.
do rip, save, rip, save, rip, save, rip, save, rip,
Oh my god.
save.
Okay.
It's your saves. Oh yes. Potion.
Oh my god.
You saw something good?
Oh my god.
What?
Wait, aren't we doing rip it or save it? And I'll get this part, and you can
No,
trade.
no, no.
Oh my god.
Oh! No, we have to rip it.
Okay.
Oh my god, we have to rip a break.
No! Okay.
We'll see what we got.
I'll rip
Oh,
it.
save the Hypno!
Oh, sweet.
Hypno, she's
Okay, I'll rip it, I guess. No! You ripped it. It's done. Just gotta accept the fact that it's done. Oh no.
so bad.
Life is so. Why did you do that?
Okay,
We were just kidding. We were gonna do rip it or save it the whole time.
Oh,
No, don't.
I did
I
it!
thought you ripped it.
But I got a 7-minute break.
Okay, guys, we were never actually gonna
Put
rip it.
3 damage counters on each of your opponent's Pokemon. This is
That's
pretty
a
good.
Pretty good break.
But I
Oh, let's see what the rest is. So we got a Shinx, a Ducklet,
let's rip those.
Palpitoad,
Oh, he ripped a Scrap. You guys, he ripped a Scrap.
Onage, Skirl. No one cares about him. And then a Brave.
Let's just rip that one. So, yeah, we shouldn't have ripped my birthday card.
And a hit. No, my birthday card. Okay, so we ended up with one break.
This was
The
awesome.
gold card. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. And
Pyro is over.
boy. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.